come on. Oh yeah, let's go. Good morning, afternoon, and evening. I'm 7th Symmetry, and welcome back to Throw Me, the 2-player Obby game. Now with all that chit chat away, let's get on with it. Alright, we are back at where we left off, buddy. I think. That's close enough to where we left off, to be honest. There we go. Oh, yeah. Hey! Oh, goodness. I was wondering why did my keyboard... Actually got me scared. She got me very scared.
Can you stop with the jump sound effects?
If it's that annoying, I'll go edit it out.
Why thank you, hun?
Brother, why did I make this shit? Okay. Oh, brother. Shoot, I almost fell again. I almost fucking fell again. Nice and steady with the race. I'm on the timer. Okay, Daddy. That shit got me screeching. See that button over there, Daddy? See that button? Am I recording? Yeah, I am. Yo, button man. Crazy ass shit. 15 seconds is crazy though. 15 seconds. No, wait! No, what the fuck are you doing? It's timing! I need to talk to her, buddy. I just need to talk to her, right? Oh, shoot! She already started. Good man. Wait. Go! No! You need to move it. I need to hot step it. It goes so slow. Shit, don't go yet, don't go, please don't go. Okay, go. Oh, first jump. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, let's go.
Ginagawa mo.
Okay, either I choke or she chokes. And I'm honestly thinking I'm gonna be the one that chokes. I'm choking his chance. I'm taking all it down. Let me chill. I almost swore. Okay, good. They all feel delayed. Oh, wait. Chill. Oh, God. I'm gonna run out. Yeah, okay. Oh, neither one of us choked. I just had to lock in there. I'm sorry. I had to lock in.
Why did he lock in like his life depended on it?
Probably because he doesn't want to restart.
Well, that's kind of lazy for our creator.
Yeah, he should honestly just hire an editor.
Have a great time.
Speedrun this shit. Speedrun climbing up that shit. Go, man, go! Okay, good. Okay. I'm gonna reset for a moment there. I was gonna reset for a second. Shit. I'm tripping. Go. I need to hurry, man. Yo! Be careful, I'm visible in the camera right now. I'm gonna lock in. I need to lock the fuck in.
How yeah, sure, lock in.
I know, right? Like, is he even trying?
Can you two shut the fuck up about his skill?
Sorry
sure,
about
whatever.
that, mother.
What the hell? Hey! Okay, good. Okay, finally made her up. First up. 400 meters. That's where your eyes. What am I doing? Barely made that shit. Purple. Hello, purple. You eat it.
Is this guy there? The button is the top.
He might be autistic or something. I don't know.
I know, right?
Oh, I need 2 reds. You gotta be tripping, dog. But you're telling me I need another group of this shit level designs. Oh. It's a timer again. Thought you needed like 2 other players there. I'm tripping, dog. Am I speaking like this? I'm tripping, dog. I freaking sound like a Garfield comic. Whoa. What's up, dog? Oh, what's up, dog? No, that's Daffy. That's Bugs Bunny Cuddy, not Garfield Cuddy. I'm tripping with this 90s references. I can barely do 90s references. Why am I even trying them? Okay, all up to you, big bruh. All up to you. You been going? Please, bro, please. Oh yes! Fuck yeah! Okay, so I'm the one messing up. I'm the one who's still. Wow, man. Ooh, don't move, bro. Don't move. Whoa, that's shit ice. Chicken Joggy. He has to do it as well. Oh, brother. There's no way. Come on, go, bro. You can do it. It's ice. It's ice. Shit. Go. Oh, you. No! Alright, since we can't freaking do it, we're not. Since we aren't able to do that shit for this video, we're gonna practice off screen, and maybe we can come back to another time and hopefully make it through that level and finally get past 20 meter and maybe complete the game. And with all that yapping and chit chat, let's start with an outro